Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalang.
Well, this raises a question in my mind, Your Grace. Within Christianity, there's been a history of mysticism from 100 A.D. to the present. Now, there have been some prominent mystics and a few prominent mystics and a great many not so prominent. Now, how do you classify these men? These Christian mystics, Protestant as well as Catholic.
This is some yogic mysticism. It has nothing to do with spiritual life. They want to see some miracle there. Ordinary public. So this mystic power shows some miracles and make them astonished. That's all. It has nothing to do with spiritual life.
Perhaps you misunderstood me. I was referring to truly devotional mystics. Such as St. John of the Cross, St. Francis of Assisi, and this...
devotional service, where is the need of mysticism? There is no need. God is my master, I am his servant. Where there is necessity of this nonsense mysticism.
Well, I think that the term mysticism, so many people have been playing with, particularly here in the United States.
We have nothing to do with so many people. If you are actually servant of God, the God is there, your servant, your transaction is there, just to carry out the orders of God. That's all. Why do you want mysticism? Just to show some jugglery to the people. You serve God, that's all. And it is very simple thing, what God orders. Manvana bhagavad bhakta madhyadi mang namaskuru. That is the question of mysticism. There is no question of mysticism. God says, that's all I think of me, offer your obeisances, and worship me. That's all. What is the need of mysticism? It is all generally.
I think there is a concept where...
You think in your way.
No, sir, there is a wrong conception.
There is no meaning in your thinking unless you come to the line.
No, sir, there is a wrong conception that mysticism, they say it comes with the spiritual advancement. I think this is what he is getting at.
The problem is that we are suffering in this material world, life after life, and our aim is how to again go back to home, back to God. That they do not know. They are showing some mysticism. What they mean? Stop death. Then I said, see your mysticism. What is this nonsense mysticism? Can you stop death? Is it possible? Then what is the meaning of this mysticism? Or bogus? My problem is that I am accepting one body and suffering, because as soon as I get this material body, I have to suffer. Then I am creating another body, I die, tatha dehantaram prasti, and again begins another chapter. In this way, from this grass life to the demigods, I am simply changing body and dying and taking birth. This is my problem. And what mysticism will do? But that they do not know. What is the problem? That is clearly stated in the Bhagavad-gita. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanudarsana. This is your problem. You are repeatedly taking birth and dying, and so long you are living, there are so many troubles, jara vyadhi, especially old age and disease. This is the problem. What mysticism will help you? Will the mysticism stop your birth, death, old age and disease? Then that is mysticism. Otherwise, what is the use of such nonsense? Misleading from the real path. They do not know what is the aim of life, what is the problem of life. They create some mysticism and some rascal people are after them. That's why. Here is mystic.
How important is the association with the devotees?
Yeah. Satang prasangan mama bija sangvida bhavanti dukkanna rasa. Therefore, sadhu sangha wanted. Association of devotees. That is why. Then our life will be successful, not mysticism.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna